Good morning children. Children, this is your English period. Today I am going to teach you a new topic, opposites. Children, what is an opposite? Opposite is someone or something that is totally different or reverse of someone or something. Children, I will teach you. All of you look at this board. See this boy. This boy looks very tall, isn't it? Tall. This boy is very short. Short. Tall. Short. See this boy. He is totally different from this boy. Isn't it? This is opposite. Tall. He is tall. He is short. Look at this ball, children. This ball looks very big, isn't it? Look at this ball. This ball looks very small. Children, this ball is totally different from this ball. Size is different. This is big. This is small. Look at this, children. What is this? Flower vase, isn't it? Here, flowers are inside the vase. Inside. Here, this flower is outside. Flower is outside. See, it is totally different. Flower is inside. Here, the flower is outside. Children, here, flowers are inside. Here, flowers are outside. Outside. It is not inside the vase. It is outside. So, it is totally different. That is why it is called opposite. Inside, outside. Look at this picture, children. Who is he? How does he look? He looks like your grandfather, isn't it? See, he is wearing specs. He is walking with the help of walking stick, isn't it? He looks very old, like your grandfather. He is old. Look at this picture, children. Who is he? He looks very young. He looks like your dad, isn't it? See, he is going to office. He is wearing tie, shoes, and he is carrying laptop bag, isn't it? He is going to office. He is very young. He looks like a young man. He looks like an old man. Old, young. Old man is totally different from young man, isn't it? Old, young. Look at this picture, children. This boy looks very happy. Look at this picture. He looks very sad. He is totally different from this picture. It is called opposite. Happy, sad. Children, tall, short. Big, small. Inside, outside. Old, young. Happy, sad. Now all of you look at the board, children. Ta, a. Ta is ta. Ll gives long l sound. Ta, ill, tall. Symbol of opposite is cross mark. This is symbol of opposite. Whenever you see this symbol, you have to write opposite word for tall. Reverse word. You should find a word that is totally different from this word. Tall. What is the word which will be totally different from this? Short. SH is sh. Sh. OR is two-letter word. You already know this. Or T. Sh or T. Short. Short. Tall, short. B. IG is ig. Ig, big. This is the symbol of opposite. Whenever you find this symbol, you have to find a word that is totally different from this word. Big. Opposite of big is small. S. A. L. Sound of 2L gives a long L sound. S. Ma. Il. Small. In is in. This is symbol of opposite. Whenever you find this symbol, you have to find a word that is totally different from this word. In. Out. 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 OU is out. Out. Now, children, O, L, D is old, old. This is opposite symbol. We have to find a word that is totally different from this word. Old, young. YOU. You already know the spelling of U. YOU. NG is ing. Here, children, YOU NG is young. Here OUR remains silence. G is young. R remains silence. G young. Ha. Two P sounds gives long P sound. A. Happy. 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 Now you have to find a word that is totally different from this word, happy. Opposite of happy is sad. AD is add. Add is sad. Children, now all of you look at the board. Let's revise. This is the symbol of opposite. Tall, short. Big, small. In, out. Old, young. Happy, sad. Children, hope you all understood what does opposite mean. Now open your English notebook, write the opposites neatly. Thank you, children.